The Submagic Black Friday sale has already begun, offering 50% off on all annual plans. This sale runs for only 48 hours, Friday and Saturday, November 28th and 29th. In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim this discount. I'll also share a promo code that will give you an extra discount on top of the 50% off they're already offering on annual plans. So make sure you watch until the very end. To get started, click on the first link in the description below. It will take you straight to the official Submagic website. Once you're there, create your account and log in. After logging in, click on Upgrade Plan on the left side, which will take you to the pricing page. At the top, make sure you select the annual plan to receive the 50% Black Friday discount. As you can see, they offer 3 plans: Starter, Pro, and Business, along with an API option. I recommend going with the Pro or Business plan as they offer the maximum value. Below that, you can add the Magic Clips option, which is also discounted right now. This feature allows you to generate unlimited clips instantly from long videos using AI. For this example, I'll select the Business plan along with Magic Clips, then click Select Plan. This will take you to a Stripe checkout page. On the left side, you'll see an option that says Add Promotion Code. Click on it, enter the code TechPromise10, and click Apply. As you can see, an extra 10% discount has been applied on top of the 50% Black Friday discount for annual plans. Now you can select your preferred payment method on the right, either card or PayPal, enter your payment details, and complete the purchase. That's everything you need to know about the Submagic Black Friday sale. If you want to watch a video on Perplexity's Comet AI browser, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.